In this tutorial, I would like to talk about a Trinity College Grade 1 exercise 3B called Capriccio. And Capriccio is all about finger and wrist strength and flexibility. First thing is the tempo. The tempo is allegretto with 100 crochet beats per minute. So not too slow and not too fast. So at a jogging pace, not at a walking pace like andante or running like allegro. Our time signature is common time or 4/4. And we are going to have quite a few movements in especially the right hand. Let's have a look at the right hand first. So we're going to have our first finger on E and our second finger on G above middle C. So we're going to have this 1 and 2. Then we're going to have staccato notes, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Look at my thumb, I moved my thumb to F. Then 2 and 4, 4 has a flat, B has a flat, B flat. Then 1 and 3 on F. Fifth finger, staccato note. Then I'm going to move my third finger so that it's on B, but B natural. Thumb still on F. Fifth finger on D, staccato note, and then I have an accent and a staccato marking on the C there with my fourth finger. So it needs to be loud and sudden to end off. So again, 1 and 2, move the thumb to F, 2 and 4, B flat, back to 1 and 3, F and A, staccato, 1 and 3, moving my third finger to B and the thumb to F, staccato on D, and C has an accent and a staccato note. For left hand, we have middle C, thumb on middle C, staccato notes. 4, then 5, 4, moving up, my second finger now goes to middle C and my thumb stretches to E, staccato and accent notes. And then all the way down to C below middle C, accent and staccato. Putting the hands together, nice and slow first. Staccato, 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 tenuto. Moving. Staccato, staccato, fourth finger moving up my left hand, staccato and accent, and all the way down pinky, staccato and accent. Speaking about dynamics, we have mezzo forte to start off with, a crescendo while we're doing this part here, having forte all the way up to the very end. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and look forward to other videos that might be helpful. Thanks for watching.